Nung naliligo ko, kinakanta ko yung Feel Her ng Eraserheads na natin, cover natin ng gitara. Sabihin nyo lang, comments lang kung ano yung gusto nyong i-cover natin next. Thank you. So, ito, andito nga pala yung gitara ko. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Tapos, gagamit din tayo ng kapo para tumaas yung tono. So, makuha natin yung Feel Her. So, ito na guys. You don't need to leave. It seems a bit naive. No need to disagree or seek my history. Staring at my soul, my sanity you stole. But then I knew all along that anything could go wrong. Though I can't see you, I can't hear you, I'm so glad you opened my door. When I get near, all the fears disappear, and I won't be alone anymore. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.